So I'm going to show you now how to add multiple sites in one go. If you're clicking here on this button, Add Multiple Sites, you will get this pop-up where you're able to download a template Excel. And then you can input all of the data that we've just inputted into this pop-up for adding a single site into this Excel sheet, and then upload it again here into this pop-up. And it will ingest all of the sites at the same time. So this is a much faster way of working both in preparing all of the data and then to upload in one fair swoop. So this is what it looks like. If you download this template, you will always start with this help tab over here, where we had the little question marks in this single site added pop-up, we have here all of the information and clarification. What do we mean by company name? What do we need with site name, and what is important to keep in mind? All of this information is here in the help tab. Now, if you're going then to the tab Add Your Sites here, you will see all of the, let me just activate the Excel here. You will see all of the information that we've seen in that pop-up in the tool now here as a column. So we have company name, site name, industry, etc. So what you can do here now is fill out that same information, but you can do it for a number of different sites. So you again have a drop down with the company names that you've added before. So in this case, it's company A. You can put in a unique site name. So the only site name right now that I can't use is test site webinar, because I've already uploaded one and we have to have unique site names. So what I can do now is call it, for example, test site webinar 2, because that is a unique name. You can choose again an industry. So for example, let's choose appliances and general goods, for example. It is optional to do a commodity. This does not apply here. I'm not going to put in a group because it's optional. I do have to choose a business importance. Again, with a drop down of high, medium, and low, or unknown. In this case, I could put in unknown. And then I have to put in either latitude, longitude, or an address as accurately as possible. Because as you saw before, if I, for example, only put in Berlin, it will go to the center point of Berlin. If I put any kind of geography, it goes to the center point. So I want to be as accurate as possible. So in this case, I'm going to use a full address. This is the address of the WWF Germany headquarters here. So I'm going to put this in, and now I have filled out all of the information that I need for this site. And I can then start on the next site and the next site and the next site before uploading it all. Now, I'm not going to do this live right now, but I have prepared a template with 96 different sites that I'm going to use now to upload. But basically what I'm going to do is go back here to the tool. And as you can see here, I've created this template over here, and I can just drag it over here and drop the files here, and it will now upload the sites.